What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Nick, aka Get This Nick, the Get This Nick gang. How we doing, guys? We got another town car video for you guys. Got the garage behind me. We're about to pop in there, but I got something a little different. This is a head mount that I purchased on Amazon. So this is gonna be a different point of view for you guys, literally. So let's switch over to this head mount so you guys can see what I'm talking about, and we will go from there right about now. Come on, guys. Wasn't that a pretty cool transition? And just like that, boom, you're on your boy Get This Nick's forehead in this crazy contraption that I bought off Amazon. But just hear me out for a second. We're going to get into the driving, but just let me get something off my chest really quick. I promise it won't take long. If you guys are enjoying this type of content, this point of view style content that you're looking at and what you're about to witness, me driving the car, please drop a comment. Let me know. If you like it, drop a comment. If you don't like it, drop a comment, but let me know, because at the end of the day, I do these videos because I'm trying to do something for you guys, show you something, entertainment for you, something that you want to watch. So obviously at the end of the day, I do care about what you guys think and your opinion and what you guys want to see. So use your little fingers, use your little thumbs, type a comment below halfway through the video, at the end of this video, whatever you think, and stick around to the end of the video because I do have an update. This car has an appointment on Monday, this coming up Monday, for something that we've been talking about. I finally got an appointment locked in. I will share that with you at the end of this video, so keep watching. But yeah, this is just going to be basically just a nice little point of view driving experience in the Lincoln Town Car. Some of you guys used to own these cars and you don't anymore. This will be like a little nostalgia for you guys. Some of you guys own these cars and just want to see me cruising. So whatever the reason you're here for, thanks for joining me on the channel. I hope you guys like this. Something new, something different. You guys listen to me blabber on camera way too much, so I'm not going to do that anymore. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this 2004 Lincoln Town Car. So I know it doesn't look like much now, but in the summertime or in the fall when these trees all have leaves on them, it is quite the sight to see. It's one of my favorite spots to cruise down. Little body of water here off to the left. I feel like this is where this car is like its happiest at, right around like 45, 50 miles per hour. I mean, the thing kind of just drives itself straight as an arrow, just floating. And obviously, I don't know how good the audio is on the iPhone, but just so quiet as you're cruising in this thing, even at 50 plus miles per hour. Just, and it's even a windier day here, but this car, the sound dampening material that they used is just, even here 20 years later, it just works. It just built like solid. I don't know. Just a well-built car. Can't stress it enough. There goes a Lincoln Navigator in white. That is one of my dream cars. I have too many dream cars, but that is one of them, the Lincoln Navigator, especially that newer body style. It is, I don't know if it's as reliable as this town car, but that new Navigator sure does look really nice. What they did with the interior, the front of it, it's just a mean looking truck. All the chrome, especially when you see them in black. I would love to get my hands on one of those and do some videos on it. So, you know, Lincoln, if you're watching this, let your boy borrow a little Lincoln Navigator, you know? Give me like a day or two with a Lincoln Navigator. I'll take care of it. I just want to get some videos. I just want to ride in style in a $100,000 SUV for the weekend and pretend it's mine. You know? I always forget too, I use these volume controls quite a bit for the radio and the next to, you know, cycle through the stations, but I always forget right down here, they have the temperature and the fan controls too on the steering wheel. And I always forget to use them. I always find myself pressing the actual buttons up here instead of just touching it right there. There's another Lincoln town car right there. That's the body style before this one that was kind of more rounded off on the front. And I'm not the biggest fan of it. I don't know, it just doesn't do it for me. The older squared off ones I really like. Obviously this body style I really like, but that one that's more rounded off, I could do without that one. I'm not really the biggest fan. I will say that they are rare though. I don't see a lot of those. That rounded off body style. Parking right next to this Lexus GX. That is supposed to be another just straight up tank. I heard that they are pretty indestructible and super well built. People do complain that they're dated, but they are very, very highly reliable vehicles. All right, let's hop out this baby. I didn't want to go too far. I don't really know if this is some sort of content that you guys really want to be seeing on the channel. It's just something different that I came up with and thought would kind of be a cool type of video to do. If you guys are interested in longer videos like this, I got no problem doing them. Just drop a comment. But I know you guys will. You guys are always good with commenting on the videos. And as always, you know, I always try to reply to every single one. So if you like it, drop a comment. But to conclude the video, I guess let's kind of hop out and just get one more little walk around of this baby. And yeah, we will go from there. So there she is in all her glory. She's still pretty clean. Even though it rained, of course, the next day after I got it washed, which it always does. Even though the weather will tell me that it's not going to rain, but then as soon as I get it washed, it rains. So that's just how that goes. But as always, if you guys are liking the content, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And we do have an appointment for Monday to get this baby tinted, so you guys will see that shortly. Let me hop back inside because it is loud, these trucks. Yeah, so Monday we got the appointment to get her tinted up. So it's gonna be no more fishbowl. No more people being able to see right in this puppy, but we're not going to go too dark. I mean, we're going to go a little bit, but we're not going to go too dark. 35% is considered factory tint. I think we might do like a 20%, so like a little bit darker than factory. And I think we're going to do the windshield here about 50%, just a nice little shade. I'm not really overthinking it too much because tint is really easily removable. So if I do sell the car in the future and someone doesn't like it or they want to go lighter or whatever the case may be, they could always just go ahead and adjust that themselves. Take off the tint and put the new one on. It's a pretty simple process, but that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for dropping by the channel as always. And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace!